¿Qué onda? This Hector Canal is bringing you a quick unboxing review of Muscle Beach Boys, Dumbbell Dwayne, and Push-Up Preston. Both figures come in a box with a nice clear window so you can see the figures inside. Around the box, you have this nice animation of a cartoon beach with this babe right in the front. I didn't find much information on the manufacturers of the Muscle Beach Boys, if they're called Jam, if they're called Blue, if Blue bought Jam, and that's why there's stickers of Blue incorporated on the box. The little bit that I did find was that they made other little toys, like silly little dress-up things, and wind-up novelty toys. Let's unbox Push-Up Preston first. The guy already came out doing push-ups. Look at that. Pretty cool. Since I want to basically review both of the guys at the same time, let's now unbox Dumbbell Dwayne. Dumbbell Dwayne, he's really good at just kneeling. He's very sturdy there. Now, Push-Up Preston, he cannot stand on his own, but he looks great in push-up position. Let's take a closer look at the figures. Push-Up Preston, he's got a wonderful smile. His head is not articulated. His arms, well, they're articulated in a way for him to do his action. No waist articulation, no articulation anywhere else whatsoever, not even the feet. Now the head looks to be the same sculpt as Dwayne, but I think there's a bit of a small difference in the hair. Push-Up Preston's is a little bit spikier here, whereas Dwayne, he seems to have like more of a flat top. Now Dumbbell Dwayne, he's got no articulation at the head. Well, sort of, I mean, but that's part of his action there. He's got some articulation in his arm, no articulation in the legs, and it seems like maybe you can move him, but you can't move this leg, and why would you? It's gonna ruin his posture. So let's try these guys out. So Push-Up Preston is having some trouble doing some push-ups, but Dumbbell Dwayne just wants to go. Look at him. Come on, catch up to him. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Yeah, there you go. Come on. Dang, look at this fool. Doing something. All right. Well, he's even moving, he's badass. Come on. Come on, you got this. Yeah. See that burn? His burn. Well, at least Push-Up Preston is good at doing planks. There you go. Push-Up Preston is good at interpretive dance. Good job. There you go. Or he's having night terrors. I know all about that. The novelty of them working out and whatnot, it gets old pretty quick. To be honest, these are not toys. They're just, they are what they are. They're just like little novelty toys for adults. You don't really play with them. You just look at them, get a small little chuckle out of them, Unfortunately, push-up Preston does not work. You could do so much like funny stuff with this guy if he actually did push-ups, but he doesn't. But Dumbbell Dwayne, he works excellent. No, at least he could do, like, he's doing dance moves.
You are the dancing queen, young and sweet, only 17. Dancing queen.
Thanks for joining me on this quick unboxing review of Dumbbell Dwayne and Push-Up Preston Muscle Beach Boys. Join us again on our next quick unboxing review of